Have you ever wondered why we see different shapes of the moon each night? As our lunar companion orbits the Earth, varying amounts of sunlight reflects off its surface, giving rise to the mesmerizing lunar phases we observe. The lunar cycle completes approximately in 29.5 Earth days. It's a recurring sequence of changes in the moon's appearance as seen from Earth, which begins with the new moon phase and progresses through waxing phases, full moon, waning phases before returning to the new moon phase again. Our journey begins with the new moon, where the moon appears completely dark in the sky. This happens because the side facing Earth is not illuminated by the sun. In this phase, the moon lies between the sun and Earth. As the days progress, we witness the waxing crescent phase. A thin crescent shape starts to emerge as the moon moves away from the sun, revealing more of its illuminated side. In this phase, the moon is nearly on a line with Earth. Next up, we reach the first quarter phase. Here, exactly half of the moon's surface is illuminated, making 1/4 of its orbit around the sun. In this phase, the moon is 1/4 around the Earth. The waxing gibbous phase follows, with the moon appearing mostly illuminated with a crescent shape. It's a sign that we're getting closer to the majestic full moon. In this phase, moon moves further along its orbit. Or the full moon, a celestial spectacle, where the entire face of the moon visible from the Earth is fully illuminated. It's like nature's spotlight shining down on us. In this phase, the moon is opposite to the sun around the Earth. As we move past the full moon, we enter the waning gibbous phase. The moon gradually shrinks in size, still displaying a crescent shape as it wanes. In this phase, moon moves further away. The third quarter phase arrives, showcasing once again exactly half of the moon's surface illuminated. It's a reminder that the lunar cycle is reaching its conclusion. In this phase, the moon is approximately 90 degrees away from the sun. And finally, we arrive at the waning crescent phase. The moon appears as a thin crescent shape once more, signaling the completion of the lunar cycle before it begins anew. In this phase, moon is nearly aligned with the Earth. And there you have it, the mesmerizing journey of the lunar cycle, a celestial ballet that never fails to captivate us. Don't forget to look up at the sky and marvel at the wonders above. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and don't forget to share the wonder of moon with your friend. Until next time, keep exploring!